Welcome back to Auto Master. Today, we have something truly special for our luxury motorhome enthusiasts. We're diving into the 2026 Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 88E, a fully electric motorhome that combines German engineering, top-tier comfort, and cutting-edge technology. This is more than just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels designed for those who love to travel in style while being eco-friendly. The Arto 88E stands out immediately with its sleek, modern exterior. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this model boasts clean, aerodynamic lines and a futuristic silhouette that hints at its electric heart. Its body is crafted with lightweight yet durable materials, optimizing energy efficiency without compromising strength. The panoramic front windshield offers incredible visibility, and the integrated LED headlights give it a distinctive, high-tech appearance. You'll also notice the flush-mounted windows and smooth side panels that reduce drag, enhancing both performance and range. The Arto 88E comes in elegant color options like pearl white, graphite gray, and midnight blue, all designed to accentuate its refined German styling. Stepping inside, the interior of the Arto 88E feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. Every detail is meticulously crafted, from the high-quality upholstery to the soft touch surfaces. The spacious living area features a modular seating arrangement that can easily convert into a comfortable sleeping area. Ambient LED lighting creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, while large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, giving passengers a sense of openness rarely found in motorhomes. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a ceramic cooktop, fridge, and even a microwave, making it perfect for long trips. There's also a compact yet luxurious bathroom with a shower, smart storage solutions, and high-end finishes that rival five-star hotels. When it comes to performance, the Arto 88E doesn't just look impressive, it delivers smooth, quiet, and responsive driving thanks to its electric drivetrain. The vehicle is powered by a high-capacity battery pack that provides a remarkable range, suitable for both city drives and extended road trips. The electric motor ensures instant torque, making acceleration effortless, while the low center of gravity improves stability and handling, even in challenging conditions. The regenerative braking system not only boosts efficiency but also contributes to a quieter and more sustainable ride. Plus, advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras make long-distance journeys safer and stress-free. The Arto 88E comes with a range of innovative features designed to make life on the road more comfortable. Smart connectivity allows you to monitor battery levels, energy consumption, and even control heating or cooling remotely through a dedicated app. Solar panels integrated into the roof help maintain battery charge, reducing dependence on external power sources. Climate control ensures a cozy interior regardless of outside weather, and the soundproofing materials create a peaceful environment, ideal for relaxing or working while traveling. As for pricing, the 2026 Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 88E starts at approximately €220,000, positioning it as a premium electric motorhome. While it is an investment, it offers unparalleled luxury, sustainability, and advanced technology that justify the price. For those seeking the ultimate combination of comfort, style, and environmental responsibility, the Arto 88E is hard to beat. In conclusion, the 2026 Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 88E redefines what a motorhome can be. It combines futuristic design, luxurious interiors, impressive electric performance, and a host of smart features, making it perfect for both weekend getaways and long-term travel adventures. Whether you're an electric vehicle enthusiast or a luxury traveler, the Arto 88E ensures every journey is as enjoyable as the destination. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Niesmann+Bischoff Arto 88E, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Master, and turn on notifications for more premium car and motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.